Hello, this video is a continuation of the network deployment walkthrough that we had done earlier. And in this video, we will add the routing components, a gateway, and the required IAM components that are required for the EKS infrastructure. The first step is to open the stack that we had deployed. You see VPC and subnets. Now we will add the various routing components. The first, we will add a route table association, the route table, a route, and an internet gateway. Once we have these components on the canvas, we will make the appropriate connections and define the properties. First, we will connect the route table association to the subnets, and then connect the route table to the table associations. This in turn connects the route table to the subnets. Now we will connect the route components to the route table. Connect the route table to the VPC, and then the internet gateway to the route and the VPC. So now we have made all the connections, and we will define the minimum required properties for each of the components. Including name, and in this case for the route, the destination CIDR block, that's the default route. Now we will save, validate, plan, and apply, and then this initiates the deployment. This completes the deployment of the routing components with the gateway. Stack for the IAM components. We could also have added the IAM components to the same networking stack, but in this case, we will deploy a new stack for IAM. We have already defined the stack. We will open the canvas and add first an IAM role component. We enter a name and also enter a JSON assume role policy. This assume role policy allows the EKS cluster to assume this role to manage the EKS cluster. Now we add a role policy to the canvas. Enter a name and a role policy JSON. This JSON was created outside of QCloud and is for allowing the EKS cluster to assign IPv6 addresses to the nodes in the cluster. So this is an inline policy. Now we connect this role policy to the role that we had defined. Next, we add role policy attachments. These are for associating AWS managed policies, which are already defined in AWS, to the role we are creating. This completes creation of the identity roles, IAM roles, and policies for the EKS infrastructure.